How to create a Zoom meeting link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Zoom meeting link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Zoom. After you open up your Zoom, what you'll then have to do is start a new meeting or schedule one. So let's schedule a meeting for now. Tap on schedule, and after you do that, you can set up your time and everything. It's completely up to you. Then tap on save. After you tap on save, your Zoom meeting will be on your this section right here. Now, simply select the meeting that you want to share. You can tap on the three dots on its bottom right corner, and then you'll see the copy invitation option. Tap on it to copy the invitation. So after you copy the invitation, you can then simply paste the invitation to any place you want and share it. And that's basically how you can copy and share your Zoom meeting link. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.